Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a product into your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a new product into your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're sending your invoices through Stripe, rather than creating a product every time, you can create a product one time and simply add it into the next invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a product into your Stripe account, here on the left side, you're going to click on Product Catalog. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on this purple Create Product button here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and name the product. So let's say this is a 1-hour consultation. Here you can add a description. You can add an image if you want. Next, this is important. You want to choose this as a recurring product or a one-off product. Recurring would be some sort of a subscription. One-off might be a one-time service like what I'm selling here. And then go ahead and list the amount. So let's say I'm going to sell this for $700. Okay, once you've filled this out, go ahead and click on Add Product here on the bottom right. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added this product into our Stripe. So the next time I go to create an invoice, I can easily just add in this 1-hour consultation. I don't need to fill it out every single time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a product into your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.